Let's search for wall clocks and see what's available. We can see there are a lot of nice clocks, but they're all pretty expensive. I really like transparent clocks, and these too look pretty good. But these clocks aren't cheap. Let's check out this transparent one. This clock is really pricey. It's a beautiful clock, but it's expensive. Might as well DIY a transparent clock ourselves. Let's design 3 of our own wall clocks. I really like the designs of these 3 transparent clocks. Let's start DIYing our own wall clocks. For the transparent clock face, we're using 4mm thick acrylic. In the xTool software, select transparent acrylic in the materials options. The new software version has a cutting preview feature, which is super handy. In just a few minutes, we've cut the acrylic clock face. Next, we'll work on the wooden part of the clock face. The automatic thickness measurement feature is incredibly useful. Sand off the blackened edges from the laser cutting. It's really simple. We finished the wooden part of the clock face. Now let's assemble the acrylic and wooden parts of the clock face. Next, let's create the number markers for the clock. Finally, let's make the slogan for the clock face. Enjoy your time. Clean out the debris and cut out letters from the laser machine tray. Stick our slogan, "Enjoy your time," onto the clock face. In the end, it only took us 1 hour to easily make 3 clocks. DIYing your own clock is cost-effective and looks even better than store-bought ones. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.